Hi there, I'm Miles Gillard from Sydney, Australia, and this is my final project for Harvard CS50. Today I'm showing you a custom dev tool designed to enforce project organizational standards, streamlining the development process by eliminating manual asset organization within the Unity engine. The first thing I want to draw your attention to is this panel on the right of the window. This is the visual representation of the current structure, or preset, being customized. And here I am naming and adding a new folder to this preset. Users can also remove folders just like so. As I select these folders, on the left, a panel becomes visible to show the associated extensions or mappings for that folder. Here I'll attempt to add a mapping that has already been used by the scripts folder. As you can see, it doesn't allow for conflicts, and in order to do this, I would have to remove the mapping from the scripts folder. Now I'll add an extension map with no conflicts, and voila! Users can also create their own custom extension maps, just like this. These mappings can also be deleted, like so. Users can name, save, load, and delete their presets. Loading a preset does not apply that preset to the project structure. It simply loads a copy of the preset to be customized in the tool window, allowing users to use previously defined structures as templates. To apply a preset to the project and enforce an organizational structure, users click the Apply Preset button, and as you can see here, it creates any missing folders, and under the hood, the extension maps are applied. To demonstrate them in action, I'll create a few assets while still in the root asset folder, and as you can see, when assets are created, they are automatically sorted into their appropriate folders. This also works with importing assets from outside of the engine.